Hi guys, I'm classmate. I sorry teacher, I don't remember your name. Felipe Christian Felipe Cano. Hi teacher. So sorry. I love you. Let me introduce myself. I am Dara Victoria Hernandez. I am 22 years old. I live in Cucuta, Norte de Santander. According to the tab 2, I need to talk what were the most important events for me in these last 5 years. So in the year 2018, I graduated from my school with three careers, which are administrative assistant, accountant assistant, and conflict solver. I don't know how to say that in Spanish, como es solucionador de conflicto. Yeah. In the year 2019, I started to study language with emphasis in English and math. But I also start to study other languages on my own. So I speak English, but I know I need to improve my English because my my English is B1, but yeah, now that I need to practice. I speak Portuguese because when I was child, I learned Portuguese because I was three months in Brazil. And yeah, I speak Portuguese. I think I B1, B2, sorry, Portuguese. I speak Italian. And I was a study friend for 2 semesters in that, but I understand. I understand some one of the people tell me something in French, but when I gonna talk or when I gonna write, hard. I can't. So I understand, but don't speak. Just understand, but no speak. Okay. But I love to study different languages, different grammar. So the last year I started to improve my English in one Canadian company. His name is Spread Yourself, and now I am teacher in one of the programs that they have. Okay, so I am teacher in Jose Peralta School. I teach in English. I teach in advanced English or intermediate English in the afternoon for them. But yeah, that's it. And nice to meet you, guys. I hope that you can understand. Yeah, I know that I need to improve my English. For the I study hard. I study Furtherbury. I study Egypt. But I know that when I'm gonna graduate to my university, I'm gonna be you choose you want. God bless you, guys. God bless you, teacher. Bye. See you soon.